Hi everybody, Lance the option teacher here. This video I'm going to go over the SPY ATM trade and also how I use the SRX level system to increase the profits on it. So SPY ATM is a trade that we do at 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. Today was a call where we bought a 684 call at 1.04 and then you can take profit at 1.25. OCO for a stop loss at 0.63. And if you look at the trade today, I got in at 1.01, then I closed at 1.16. I closed a little bit early than the 1.25 just because we hit a downturn afterwards and wasn't really feeling the 1.25. So I already closed out 9 of my 10 positions at $15 per position. But then I kept one runner. And what I did with the runner was I noticed on the SRX system that we had a green dot here. And we kept having more green dots. So I stayed in the position on the runner. I was willing to close it out at the same 1.01 strike premium. But I essentially wrote it up and I closed it out at 1.47. So I made $46 on that one contract. If you just do 46 over 101, so 46 divided by $101, that was a 45.5% gain on that one contract. Really good return. We typically look for a 20% profit off the SPY ATM. But the SRX helped me amplify this to 45.5%. This is a screenshot showing the entries and exits. I entered in at 1.01, 10 contracts, closed out 9 of them at 1.16, and then the runner, I closed out at 1.47. I just set it as a trailing stop order, and it just happened to hit the trailing stop. It could have theoretically went even higher than that. These are the trades that I've made on SRX systems so far. The very bottom line is the one I just did, 1.01 to 1.47, $46 profit on that one contract with 45.5% return. Using the SRX system, I'm going relatively small on the number of contracts, typically 1 to around 5 or so. But it's typically 1 to 3. And since the beginning of December to today, I'm already at $453 off using just these levels. That's almost a year of service for the payment for the SRX. And this is with a really small count size and small amounts of premium that I'm using. So we have a lot of members using these levels to make good profits. It gives you alerts, and we have a very active community of traders, have many videos coming out on what we're looking for. So if you're interested in scalping or swing trading using very accurate levels, you want to join the SRX system. There's a link in the description down below and on the YouTube comment. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment on this video. I'll check and respond to all of them. And have a good rest of the day, everybody.